Hello students, how's it going? This episode is adding and subtracting polynomials. And so let's just go ahead and get started. So we identify like terms, then add or subtract the coefficients. So let's talk about identifying the like terms. That means that if we have a 6x here, we can't use it, or we can't add an 8y to it. Something else has to have an x and just an x. So we can see that this 4x here can be added or subtracted with the 6x. So we identify the like terms, and then we add or subtract the coefficients. Well, that number right there, that's your coefficient. So here we go. If we have 6x, we're going to rewrite it, minus 4x, okay? Bring it down, bring them together. And then we have our 8y plus 12y. Now we have our like terms, and now we're just going to add or subtract the coefficients. Well, 6x minus 4x, that'll give us 2x. And then 8y plus 12y, that'll give us plus 20y. You just carry the sign. All right, let's look at our second example. Our second example, we have this polynomial plus that polynomial, or binomial. So 4x squared plus 3x minus 2 plus 5x squared minus 10x plus 4. So we look at this addition sign. Had that been a negative, we would have to distribute that, but because it's not, we can just add and subtract straight across. So let's combine those like terms together and rewrite. We're going to have 4x squared, and then the other one has to be another x squared, so we have plus 5x squared. Okay, no more squares. Plus 3x minus 10x, okay, like terms, minus 2 plus 4. Okay, so 5 plus 5, this is just simple adding and subtraction. So we have 4 plus 5, which is 9x squared. Okay, 3x minus 10x, that's a negative 7x. And then negative 2 plus 4. Well, negative 2 plus 4, that'll give us positive 2. And this is our answer. As always, I've got one last example. Okay guys, for our last example, we have 3x to the 4 minus 3x, in parentheses, minus parentheses, 3x minus 3x to the 4. Well, we can't just start diving right in and combining like terms and adding and subtracting because of this guy right here, that negative symbol. We've got to distribute that to each term. Remember, this is pretty much like a negative 1 on the outside, and we're going to multiply all these terms times negative 1. So let's go ahead and rewrite the problem. It'll be 3x to the 4 minus 3x, all that stays the same, and then negative 1 times 3x. Negative 1 times 3x will give us a negative 3x, and we just carry the term, and then negative 1 times a negative 3x to the 4. Negative times negative are positive, so we're going to have 3x to the 4 right here. Well, now we can combine our like terms. x4s with other x4s will be 3x to the 4th plus 3x to the 4th. All right, minus, because that's what that symbol is, 3x minus 3x. There we go. All right, now it's all simple. 3 plus 3 is 6, and then negative 3 minus 3 is negative 6. Whoops. Sorry, that threw me off there. Either way, this is your right answer. If you want me to work more examples, just let me know. Comment if you have any questions. Check the description for notes. Thanks for watching.